Alright guys, so we are in Pakistan and this is the country that's unexplored, and you people said Pakistan is better than India in most of the cases. Perhaps you should have visited this stall. They should have told you what Pakistan is and why Pakistan. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm good.
Pakistan.
Zindabad.
Zabardast. That's how you start.
Yeah.
And I'm going to ask this guy because a lot of people who do not know Pakistan have got different misconceptions and they want to visit, but they are scared. And then once they visit and they tell, oh, Pakistan is better than India in most of the cases. So if you want to experience similar sort of culture, Pakistan is the way to go. But this guy's going to tell us why, how, and where. Over to you.
Original Pakistan, the most pristine, beautiful valleys are in northern Pakistan. And that's not Murray I'm saying, okay? I'm saying you must visit Naran, you visit Swat Kalam, you visit Hunza, you visit Skardu, Chitral, Kalash, Diamir, Fairy Meadows. These are the places that will make you speechless. It will make you a traveler. You need to get at least 8-9 days. We have good airline connection, 5-star hotels, 4-star hotel, 3-star hotel, amazing food. You know, that's what that you crave for. You go for the kadai, Peshawari kadai, Dumba kadai in different parts of London and other cities. Come for authentic food experience in Pakistan, and then you will say Pakistan Zindabad.
What sort of suggestion you're gonna give? Are there any tour operators that you want to recommend, or airlines, or anything that you think is gonna help them plan their tours, something like that?
You see that in terms of airline, Virgin Atlantic was working initially. They are reinstating their operation in few days time. That's what I got to know. PIA has a direct flight from Manchester. Maybe in London they might start as well. Other than that, Qatar, Emirates, Oman Air, so many other airlines, they have a connection to Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi, even Multan. Even the Saudi airline does go. That gives you a different benefit of going for Umrah and also doing Pakistan together. But in terms of people, why to visit Pakistan? Not just for one thing. It has diversity, languages, mountains, spirituality. We have the different shrines. People try to visit their Babajis as well. Like we have different darbars in Multan, in Lahore, and other cities as well. Other than that, food experience are very unique.
And mostly it's free, guys. I know there are so many visitors, Westerners who visit. People don't take money from them. That's
Yeah,
the hospitality.
I was going to come to that point, that the most important thing about Pakistan is hospitality. That you will not find anywhere in the world. You will only find the commercialism wherever you go. Like Switzerland has beautiful mountain, but people are very cold like their weather. But in Pakistan, weather might be cold, but people are very hot in their
You know
hospitality.
me, and then you know this guy, hot,
Yeah,
you know?
you will get a warm hospitality wherever you go. You will get, they say, have cup of tea with us, have cup of kawa with us. If you are going to Peshawar, Kissa Khani Bazaar, as the name says, Kissa Khani means storytellers bazaar.
Wow, nobody
Go to
knows it so
Lahore.
far, yeah.
In Lahore, Punjabi we say, jinne Lahore ni takiya ho jamiya hi nahi. Literally means if you have not seen Lahore, you are not born yet. 25 million people live in Lahore. Great food, great site, great history, Mughal art, Mughal history, and then we also, you know, Britishers ruled us. We have imperial time buildings as well.
And
So-
Kudiya Lord Diyan, you've missed that point.
I would also say Munde Lorde.
Yeah.
This is my brochure, okay?
Okay.
I represent my company with the name of See Pakistan Tour. See how easy the name is, See Pakistan Tours. So now you guys, you need to see Pakistan very soon with me. If not with me, come alone. You still have a great time.
Perfect. So that's all I think for today, and that's all I wanted to tell you about Pakistan. I mean, if you want and have more queries, you can ask me, and I've already introduced you to someone here and as to how to travel Pakistan. So I think most of your queries would be resolved. I think let's move on.